Hello friends, we will discuss IIT JEE Advanced 2015 Maths paper. We will start from question number 41. Here it is given that f of x is gi of x where x less than equal to 2 and 0 where x greater than 2. From this definition, we can find f of x plus 1 that is equal to gi of x plus 1 where x plus 1 less than equal to 2 and 0 where x plus 1 greater than 2. This implies f of x plus 1 is equal to gi of x plus 1 where x less than equal to 1 and 0 where x greater than 1. Similarly, we can find f of x square which is equal to gi of x square where x less than equal to root 2 and 0 where x greater than root 2. Now we integrate I is equal to minus 1 to 2 x into f of x square whole upon 2 plus f of x plus 1 dx. This will be integration from minus 1 to 0 x into 0 upon 2 plus 0 dx plus integration from 0 to 1 x into 0 upon 2 plus 1 dx plus 1 to root 2 x into 1 upon 2 plus 0 dx plus root 2 to 2 x into 0 upon 2 plus 0 dx. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे मालूम है f of x plus 1 is gi of x plus 1 where x less than equal to 1 and 0 where x greater than 1. In this case, when we integrate from minus 1 to 0, the value of f of x plus 1, this will be 0 and gi of x square from minus 1 to 0, this value is 0. And when we integrate from 0 to 1, f of x plus 1 is 1 and gi of x square is 0. And when we integrate from 1 to root 2, the value of f of x plus 1 is 0 and that of gi of x square is 1. And when we integrate from root 2 to 2, the value of gi of x square is 0 and f of x plus 1 is 0. This will be half into integration from 1 to root 2 x dx, that will be half into x square upon 2 limits from 1 to root 2. That will be 1 by 4 into root 2 square minus 1 square, that will be 1 by 4. That implies 4i is equal to 1. That implies 4i minus 1 is equal to 0. So, the value of 4i minus 1, that is equal to 0. And come to the next question. And we will start the question number 42. In this question, the cylindrical container has fixed, fixed internal volume, fixed inner volume, that is V, and let R be the radius of the inner portion. H be the height. H be the height of cylindrical container. And now it is given that the inner volume is V. So V is equal to pi r square H. That implies H is equal to V upon pi r square. Next, the thickness of wall is 2 mm. So the volume of material used, we can write Vm is equal to volume of material used. That must be the bottom volume plus the curved surface volume. The curved surface volume is pi into r plus 2 का whole square into h minus pi r square h plus the bottom volume is pi into r plus 2 का whole square into 2. This will be pi h into r plus 2 whole square minus r square minus r square plus 2 pi into r plus 2 का whole square. That is equal to 2 pi h into 2r plus 2 plus 2 pi into r plus 2 का whole square. And this will be 4 pi into r plus 1 into h plus 2 pi into r plus 2 का whole square, and this will be 4 pi into r plus 1, and we will substitute the value of h, that is from h is equal to v upon pi r square. So v upon pi r square plus 2 pi into r plus 2 का whole square. This will be the materials used for the cylindrical container. Now, materials to be minimum, we should take the derivative of the material. So now, dVm upon dr, we take derivative of Vm with respect to radius r, and this will be 4V into minus 1 upon r square minus 2 upon r cube plus 4 pi into r plus 2. This will be equal to minus 4V into 1 upon r square plus 2 upon r cube plus 4 pi into r plus 2. Again, it is given that at the radius is equal to 10 mm, the volume of material used is minimum. So derivative must be equal to 0. So at r is equal to 10, dVm upon dr is equal to 0. That implies at r is equal to 10, we can write minus 4v into 1 plus r square plus 2 upon r cube plus 4 pi into r plus 2. This will be 0. That implies at r is equal to 10, we get 4 pi into r plus 2. This will be equal to 4v into 1 plus r square plus 2 upon r cube. And putting the value of r is equal to 10, we get 12 pi. This is putting r is equal to 10. We get 12 pi is equal to v into 12 upon 1000. Because when r is equal to 10, 1 upon r square is 1 upon 100 and 2 upon r cube is 2 upon 1000. And when we add 1 upon 100 plus 2 upon 1000, we will get 12 upon 1000. And this will be give v is equal to 1000 pi. And the question is, what is the value of v upon 250 pi? So, v upon 250 pi, this will be equal to 4. Hence, the result is